Swivelpole complete solutions make it easy to specify our technology on industrial and commercial projects. The complete range includes Swivelpole models designed for mounting lights and equipment to guardrail stanchions, walkway structures, columns, walls and floors. Complete guardrail solutions are designed for pole mounting lights and equipment on industrial walkways, stairways and platforms. Models are available to suit mounting to both tubular and angular stanchions or freestanding independent of the guardrail. Complete column/wall solutions are designed for installing equipment alongside infrastructure and can be mounted directly to vertical surfaces. Complete freestanding solutions give you the freedom to install equipment in any location and reach extended heights up to 6 meters. Models in this range are ideal for low-level floodlighting and security in car parks and commercial spaces. With our complete range, it is easy to make your next pole a swivel pole.